Well, actually, AI is totally new for us, as for all the world. But I think the fact that we are already using computers for calculation, for stress calculation, and so on, it's some kind of artificial intelligence. And I think in the future our development processes will be much quicker, because what we actually do with prototyping, one day, one experiment, I think in the near future AI will help us to be much quicker, at least between some experiments, that you can imagine how a system will behave when you change something without doing and making a prototype and doing an experiment. So this is what we expect in the near future. Do not expect that AI will replace us. I think you need the humans, you need the fantasy we have in our minds. You need the communication between the different minds, between the different fantasies and so on. So we are building products for humans, so this is why humans have to imagine and build them.